FedEx Freight, my honest review, and user experience with shipping services. Shipping freight can be stressful, but FedEx Freight promises fast, reliable delivery. I tested their services, and here's my honest experience. Most people think FedEx only handles small packages. The surprising truth is FedEx Freight specializes in less than truckload shipping, handling large, heavy and palletized freight efficiently across the US. Getting started is easy. You schedule a pickup online, choose your freight class, and print labels. FedEx Freight provides a shipping calculator so you know costs upfront, which is great for budgeting. One standout feature is tracking. Every shipment gets a tracking number and updates are frequent and accurate. I shipped a 300-pound pallet, and the system kept me informed from pickup to delivery. Speed and reliability are solid. My shipment arrived on schedule and in excellent condition. FedEx also offers additional services like liftgate delivery, residential delivery, and inside pickup for added convenience. The only downside is pricing for high-density or irregularly shaped freight costs can rise quickly. However, the transparency in pricing and the quality of service often outweigh the higher fees. In conclusion, FedEx Freight is a dependable choice for businesses and individuals shipping larger freight. If you want timely deliveries, detailed tracking, and a professional shipping experience, it's worth considering.